When members of the automotive trade call VACC's Technical Advisory Service, the question we get asked the most is what are the common problems with the car we are working on? VACC has now vastly increased our access to information on common problems, technical service bulletins, recalls and common fixes for many vehicles on Australian roads via MotorTech's Haynes Pro Workshop Data Smart Pack system. To access this information, log into VACC's MotorTech and select the Haynes Pro tab. Then search for the make, model and series of the vehicle you are working on. Then select the engine variant. This will take you to the overview page. From here you can proceed in a few different ways. If there are common issues, TSBs or recall information for that vehicle, the Smart Pack option will be available in the menu on the left. If you select this, it will take you to a page which will allow you to narrow down the problem. If you select the Smart Case tab, you can scroll through the list of common fault information which has been supplied by qualified automotive professionals for this vehicle. Each Smart Case will give you the symptoms, causes and solutions to the problem, which others in the trade have found to be successful. This information is not based on OE technical information. The Recall tab will give an overview of any notices from the manufacturer that may have reached recall status both here and overseas. The Technical Service Bulletins tab lists the symptoms, causes and solutions based on manufacturer information, which can also include repair times. At the top of the Smart Pack page is a series of filters you can use to speed up your search by selecting from Vehicle Area, Fault Code, Noise, Defect or Operating Condition. If your vehicle presents with a fault code, on the Overview page you can use the Fault Code search box to quickly access links to the OE diagnostic procedures and links to any relevant smart cases, recalls or TSBs to assist you to diagnose and repair the vehicle. Common fault information can also be found in Tech Online. Some vehicles will have a Common Faults module available based on trade feedback. Also, any Tech Talk magazine articles that have been written on common faults or repair procedures can be accessed online via the Tech Talk module for that vehicle. The Haynes Pro Smart Pack is only available in combination with the Tech Online Common Faults and Tech Talk information as a part of VACC's MotorTech diagnostic solution. For more information about vehicle common faults, visit motortech.com.au or call VACC's Technical Advisory Service.